Hello, I'm Anton from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to show you how to install a tank screen. Tank screens are used on the inlet of your tank. And they've got a 0.955mm mesh, and that's used to keep out mosquitoes, any other pests, as well as any leaves and debris. While it's got the mesh on there, it also allows a really high flow of water through. So now, when we install the tank screen, you'll find that if we're installing it on a poly tank like this, or a metal tank, like this guy here, the steps are going to be exactly the same. So we'll start over here. You might find that you've already got a tank screen in place, so all you'll have to do is unscrew it. I've already unscrewed this one, so it makes it a bit quicker. So in order to reinstall it, or to install your new version, just pop it on over. Now the important thing to note is that there might already be some screw holes there, and whether it's in the poly tank here, and you'll note that the metal tank as well, it's already got some holes screwed in there where we've screwed it previously. You want to try and pick up on those when you screw it in. So in terms of fitting it, once you've placed it down, it's a good time to check the size. I can see that's a nice fit. It's important that when we screw through, we're screwing into the tank top material. You don't want to just screw into the gap by accident. So try and make sure that it's centrally aligned. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to drill through just a little bit, so just to find my screw. I'm going to pick up on that hole like I mentioned and drill it in. Now it's important that if you're using a drill, set it to a relatively low torque setting. And if you don't have a torque setting on your drill, we'd probably recommend that you use a screwdriver instead. If you do have to use a screwdriver, you might find that you want to maybe pre-drill some pilot holes in the top of the tank first. So once all your screws are done up, that's all there is to it. So that's how to install a tank screen. If you'd like to find out a bit more information about tank screens, how to install them or how to maintain them, just jump onto the website and you'll find the information there.